Lesson 71. I'm in directory htests. I have 2 files in one subdirectory, one folder. Double click on that. I come to the baby test folder, and there's one file in there, PDF file. Okay, I key in import OS. Path equals htests. 4. Path, directories, and files in os.walk. So the path OS, I want you to walk through this path. What path? This one. And show me all the paths, directories, and files. Really? How? Well, print the path, print the directories, print the files, and then print some stars when you get to the end of everything in that directory before you go on to the next directory. Okay? Okay. This is what I get. Htests, baby tests. What's in htests? Baby test folder, and these 2 documents. And he goes to the baby test folder, and what does he find? No subfolders and one file, babystats.pdf. Exactly what I had. 72. Open, display a web page on screen. It will be unformatted, ugly. Import urlib.request. URL lib, yes. I have a request for you. Would you open up a URL called www.google.com, assign that to Y? Y? Yes. Would you read everything in yourself and assign that to X? Okay. X? Show me what you got. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. But this looks ugly. Unit 73. Open a URL for viewing. Ah, for viewing this time. Let's open this one. Import URL lib.request. URL lib? Yes, I have a request for you. Retrieve a URL. What URL? www.handwrittentutorials.com. Specifically this guy. And put comma. Put him in the file called c:\gbgoog.html. That's a good name for a file. And he does it. As soon as I hit enter, he does it. He put all that into this file. So I go to C drive, and there it is, gbgoog.html, 17K. So I go to gbgoog.html, right click, I go down to open with, and Firefox. And bingo, there it is. Wow. Will it work? I click on it, and it starts. It starts running. Can we make it run in YouTube? I click on that icon, and then yes, bingo, we come to YouTube. Look right over here, YouTube. So there was our code. URL lib. I have a request. Retrieve this URL. This one here, put it into this file. 74. We're going to connect to a site, read the HTML of that site, and print it all. First, I'm going to import http.client. Then I'm going to say http.client, yes. I want you to make an HTTP connection. With who? ruby-language.org. Oh, and would you please use port 80? I'd appreciate that so much. He says, okay, I'll do that. Assign that back to X. Okay, X, connect. Do it now. And he connects. X, I have a request for you. What's that? I want you to get the /index.html file over here at this site. Okay, I'll get it, he says. Okay, X, yes. One more thing. Could you get the response from that web page? Okay. And assign that to Y? Okay. Y, could you read whatever is in yourself? Yes. And assign that to Z? Okay. Print Z, please. And bam, out it comes. X, close yourself. Okay. 75. Unit 75, tries and accepts. Okay, I want you to try the following. A equals 5.1, B equals 2. Print out the result of A. Print out the result. A divided by B. Oh, in case you get an exception, what kind of an exception? An error exception. You know, a 0 division error. Yeah. Print out oops divided by 0. All right. I'm not going to get a 0 or a division error. In this case, no. Now, I run the program, the result 2.55. But now I'm going to change things. B is now equal to 0. Print out A divided by 0. 0. When it gets to here, it's going to say, oh my goodness, I can't do this. Runs over here to exception, 0 division error. That's what I got. Prints out oops divided by 0. I run the program, and oops divided by 0. That's it. That's the end of 71 through 75. This is George Boole. Thank you so much for listening, and bye-bye.